In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to unlink a Nintendo account from a Nintendo Switch. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see on the screen, this is a feature that used to exist back then, and after firmware update 6.0.0, the feature was seemingly gone. Is it still possible to unlink an existing Nintendo account from a device or a specific Nintendo Switch? If you go over to Google and you look for Unlink Nintendo account from Switch, you can find this article from the official Nintendo support page, How to Unlink a Nintendo account from a Nintendo Switch console. If you access this page, you will notice that, as you can see here, once a Nintendo account is linked to a user account, this link cannot be undone. The associated user account must also be deleted to unlink a Nintendo account from a Nintendo Switch. Which means that, according to this official Nintendo support article, you cannot unlink your account without also deleting the associated user. So, this is the only way to properly unlink a Nintendo account. You also have to delete your user account. After you delete both accounts, then the Nintendo account will be unlinked. This is the only method and there is no workaround to this. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlink a Nintendo account from a Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.